Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. This is my project title Personalized Learning through MBTI Prediction, a deep learning approach integrated with Learning Profile Ontology. This is my abstract. Personalized e-learning style have transformed the delivery of educational content, aligning it more closely with individual learners' needs. Among the various approaches to achieving this personalization, MBTI personality prediction emerged as a valuable tool for adapting learning content to match individual preference and learning style. The application core functionality encompasses receiving user text, performing on-the-fly text normalization, calculating keywords score of each personality and subsequently deriving the MBTI type. This is my flowchart. First, I will start the user input. This represents the raw input collected from user in the context of an MBTI personality prediction system. This would be textual data, for example, social media post, essay provided by individual text also. After the data preprocessing, this data preprocessing stage to involve cleaning and transforming and preparing the raw input data. After that, we use the split data, training and testing. This training represents the larger subset of data specifically used to train and machine learning models. After this testing process, this testing process is crucial for verifying the model accuracy, reliability, and how well it can generate its prediction to new unseen data. These all steps are completed after we using the model training. This model training acts as the central hub where different machine learning techniques are implemented and optimized to learn from prepared text data. We use the machine learning algorithm for logistic regression, random forest, SVM, and XGBoost. This logistic regression is a foundational statistical machine learning algorithm primarily used for classification tasks. After the four algorithms are completed, we use the accuracy prediction for the evaluate model preference. This evaluate model preference or train these steps to involve assigning the predictive accuracy and effectiveness. This is done by making prediction to the testing dataset and comparing them against the true labels. Use this evaluated model completed to prediction ontology data. Prediction ontology data means first I give the text input raw MBTI data by providing meaningful context and detailed insight to the user. To all steps are successfully completed, we predict the MBTI type. This outcome delivered to the user providing them with a personality analysis. This is my explanation part. First, I will give the user input data, data preprocessing, split data. So, first I will give the user input data. User input data I will give to analyze the predict what is the individual learning style to predict the MBTI. I will give some text of the social media content or essay rating or individual prediction text also. This text you will give provided after the data preprocessing steps. This data preprocessing will successfully completed to cleaning and transforming the data after you split the data training and testing. Training 80% and testing is the 20%. These steps are successfully completed. You will training the model of logistic regression, random forest, SVM and XGBoost. This model training will the I will predicting the MBTI prediction and this type of determined by comparing keyword score for each personality diagnosis and I will give the keywords evidence of how to predict it and I will give the learning style analysis. Learning style analysis the keyword predictions. I will under the model preference. This model preference is the accuracy prediction. Accuracy prediction of the random forest, logistic regression, SPM and XGBoost. I will give the future enhancement also to predict the MBTI personality, evaluate model preference, prediction ontology data, predict MBTI type. This is my source code. This is my output part. First, I will open the Anaconda prompt. You will create a new folder of your dataset and templates. You will separately create a new folder. So copy the path, your dataset and templates, which folder you will create, and the path is will copy and paste the Anaconda prompt, and after you will fix the path. So I fixed my path, so I will run my python app.py code. Once you run the Python app.py code, you will generate the pin address. This address is very important for your running your output page. Once you successfully completed your pin address, you copy that and go to Google, you paste, you successfully open the register page. So once you open the register page, you are already user, you will log in, or first user you will register first successfully. So I will give my name and email address. You will provide your original email address and set password, register. You open your successfully register page and please log in. Log in your name and password. This is will open the analyze your text. I will give some text and generate your text. MBTI personality. This is the your MBTI personality. This is the in how many scores will high, that is your MBTI prediction. Introvert, extrovert, sensing, intuition, thinking, feeling, judging, preserving. This four type which is more high score, this MBTI. I will give the keyword evidence system. This is the keywords to predict your MBTI personality. And learning style analysis is blue is represent the auditory, orange is represents the kinesthetic, green is represents the visual learning. This is your visual learning of learning analysis, and model differences is the high accuracy of logistic regression, overall 99%. This is the model algorithm of training the logistic regression, random forest, SVM and XGBoost, classification, report of accuracy and F1 score and recall and support. Confusion matrices is the MBTI predict and the true label. This is the 15 important keywords of the MBTI prediction. And I will give the future enhancement of future. You will improve your learning style. How to improve your learning style? This is the most important. Thank you.